Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're diving into something that blends adventure, practicality, and modern automotive engineering in a way that really stands out. The 2026 Toyota camper van is here to redefine what a compact travel vehicle can be, and it brings a refreshing mix of contemporary styling and smart functionality. Toyota has taken its familiar van proportions and elevated them with a sharper front fascia, sleeker LED lighting, and a more confident stance that complements its adventurous personality. The clean body lines, wider windows, and subtle rugged accents all help the van look modern while still maintaining that dependable Toyota character people trust. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota camper van doesn't try to be a powerhouse, but it delivers exactly what travelers need. It's powered by a hybrid powertrain that balances efficiency and smooth driving dynamics, making it ideal for both city commuting and extended road trips. Acceleration feels steady and controlled, and the suspension tuning is focused on comfort, helping to keep the ride stable even when the van is fully loaded with gear. With its improved fuel economy, you'll spend more time enjoying the journey and less time worrying about refueling, which is exactly what makes it such an appealing choice for anyone who loves exploring new places. Inside, the camper van really shines. Toyota has created a thoughtfully arranged living space that feels cozy without feeling cramped. The interior features high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an airy design theme that helps make even long drives feel relaxing. The seating layout is flexible, allowing you to convert the rear area into a sleeping space or a compact lounge depending on your needs. There are clever storage compartments tucked throughout the cabin, giving you room to bring along all your essentials while still keeping everything organized and out of the way. What sets the 2026 Toyota camper van apart are the unique features designed specifically with travelers in mind. There's an integrated mini kitchen setup with a fold-out counter, a compact refrigerator, and modular drawers that make cooking on the go surprisingly convenient. The van also includes built-in USB ports, a solar-assisted power system, and enhanced climate control settings so you can stay comfortable no matter where you park. Toyota even added a smart connectivity system that lets you monitor power usage, adjust settings, and keep track of your gear through an intuitive interface that feels natural to use. It's the kind of vehicle that encourages spontaneous trips, giving you the freedom to explore without overthinking the logistics. Whether you're heading into the mountains, camping by the beach, or just taking a weekend drive with friends, it adapts in every moment. Outro like thanks for watching.